go.
This is Kay's creation of Rappy's wheels. Ready?
Let's go, Rappy.
Here I am at WhoopsWheelFixIt. So basically, let's come out here a bit, it's a bit noisy in there. So my wheels had a little bit of flaking on the inside from the lacquer from previous. So these guys are Whoops. As usual, they've come out and they've said, do you know what, we'll redo them for you, no charge. So they've taken them away, and I thought, well, while I've got the wheels over here, I thought let's go and do a let's make them a little bit different. So I had the little silver lip on the outside and I've changed it. So let's go and see what they've done to my old wheels. This is the lone wheels. Makes the brakes pop a little bit more when they're silver. So here we are, down at Whoops.
Yes.
K's.
With K alloy Whoops.
I'm going to put his Insta right here, so you can have a look. This is the man who created everything with my wheels, basically. So should we show him? I haven't shown him yet.
Yeah. Okay. Let's flip that. Come on.
Should we show him?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
This is Kay's creation of Rappy's wheels. Ready?
Let's go. Let's go, Rappy.
So tell us, Kay, what's all this about?
So basically, Rappy really, like, the thing about this TT that is very different from other TTs in our opinion is that this guy puts his whole, you know how you breathe in air? Like, literally, this is what this car is to this guy. So whatever effort he's put in, we have to then replicate the same effort with the alloys. So they were silver before, same finish, but silver instead of the white. So he came back and he wanted us to match the white with the car. So we did that for him. This is the end result.
So basically what it does is, it shows off the size of the wheel, not better than just having just black to black. You kind of don't get the sense of the size of the wheel.
Alloy look at this small. And so, it's so crazy because whatever decision you make with your car, it always makes sense. Do you sleep on it before you decide I want to do this?
And think and think and think. It's months and months of thinking of everything I'm doing. But amazing job, mate. Well done.
Listen,
thank you for creating a little bit extra for Rappy. Respect.
Rappy, man, I always have respect for you. This car is like a child.
I love it. It's good. But more to come.
Yeah,
so got lots more stuff happening, guys.
Guys, he's showing me a few behind the scenes stuff that he's going to be doing. If I was you, I would still achieve it. Seriously. This guy does not know when to stop, guys. You have to back him up. You have to back him up. But the ideas he's got, I'm going in, yeah? Thank you so much.
Thank you too, mate.
It's been a pleasure, man. What a great guy, man. Honestly, man. Pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you too.
Pleasure meeting you, yeah?
And meet you another, I'll be back.
Yeah.
I'll be back for something. I'll make some excuse to come back. I can't keep away from this place.
Alright, bro, yeah?
Alright.
Nice one.
Cheers.
I'll see you in a bit.
See you later.